Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to run a cleaning cycle on Breville Espresso Machine. First, let's empty the water tray. And let's fill up the water reservoir. For this cycle, we will use single shot filter as well as this small plastic piece, and we will use one of those cleaning tablets as well. And we need to turn off the machine. To start the cycle, we will press one shot, two shots, and power buttons at the same time. And this will start the cycle, which will take around 5 minutes. Once the cycle is over, you will hear the beeping sound at the end. If the tablet is not fully dissolved at the end of the first cycle, you might want to run another cycle. Also, to get rid of any residual chemicals and to rinse the group head, you might want to run some more water through the system. You can use the double shot button for that one. And we are all done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.